Welcome to SyncAll. Let's get started as a music uploader on the platform. Step 1. Click on the Get Started button and select the music uploader option. Fill in your details, which include whether you're an individual or a company, your email, and preferred password. Don't forget to click the checkbox, after which you can submit the form. Step 2. Go ahead to click your mailbox and follow the instructions to confirm your mail. Once you're done, continue to the login page to sign in with your credentials. Step 3. Your profile setup. Fill in details like your preferred username, your Spotify artist link, and your short bio. Step 4. After completing all these, you will arrive in your dashboard where you can explore what we have in store for you. Let's go ahead to sign you up as a Sync user. Step 1. Select Sign up as a Sync user. Fill in all required fields in the second registration page. Step 2. Go ahead to confirm your email using the magic link sent to your registered email. Step 3. Go back to the sign in and explore the list of tracks. You can interact by liking and sharing. You can also use the View More button to explore the track metadata. You can also explore our licensing marketplace by clicking Get Quotes and also check through our pricing model. Thank you for watching.